In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Binance. So first, you want to open your Binance app, and here in the dashboard, you want to look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you have wallets. So this is one way to do it. And then you're currently under overview. You want to swipe to the left to take it to spot. And then when you're in spot, you have to click on BTC. And here you could choose to buy BTC from another crypto wallet by clicking on deposit, selecting the network, and copying the crypto address that you have here on your Binance and sending it to the other wallet for it to be sent to this Binance wallet. Now, this is one way to do it, or you could go back to the main menu, home, and then you come down to trades and you select trades and you could convert the other coins you have into Bitcoin. So here we're currently under spot. We could go to convert. And when we click on convert, we have the option to convert from to. So we're going to change from BTC. We're going to say USDT. So say we have some USDT available and we're going to send it to BTC, and that's another way to do it. So this way we're simply converting our other coins into BTC, in this case from USDT to Bitcoin. And when we're here, we get to preview the conversion where it's going to show us the current rate, and then we get to confirm it and we'll have our USDT transferred into BTC. Of course, another way to do it is go over to fiat, and then when you select that, you're going to see card P2P trading. So we're going to select card. And when we select card, it's simply telling the Binance app that I want to use my card to buy a crypto. Now, of course, currently it's showing USDT. So we're going to select on that and we're going to select BTC and then pay with card, right? So you have it here. If you want to change the card or change the method, you could click on it. And then you have other options here. You have through P2P trading or you have fiat payment. And so we're going to select card. And then of course we get to type in the amount. Of course, it's showing you add new card. That's because we don't have a card currently on this account. But if you have a card, as you're supposed to add it. But if you have a card, you can click on this add card, and then when the card is registered on Binance, you could go ahead and in this same place here, you're going to go ahead and make the purchase because you now have your card in it. Now, if we want to sell Bitcoin on Binance, all we have to do is to go over to P2P. And here in P2P, you have different options here. Currently, it's under buy. But if we want to sell Bitcoin, we're going to come over here and sell. And then we have the options here. Different buyers are available and you could select sell. So when we're here, we get to select the quantity and we also select the payment method and then we click on sell. This is going to put your offer to prospective buyers who are in turn going to make requests to purchase Bitcoin from you. So this is how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Binance.